Good day, sir. My name is Kim A. Kiao from Bitibited 1, Block 2. So, first question is, what is the importance of teaching ICT as an exploratory course in today's generation? So, importance of ICT as exploratory course is, ICT is basic survival now. Teaches digital literacy, gives all students a fair start with technology, and help them discover if they like coding, design, or IT before choosing a career path. So the second question is, what application or software do you enjoy the most, or what do you least enjoy? So the app I enjoy the most is Canva. Easy, fast, and makes anyone look like a designer. So I least enjoy is Excel. When it's misused for simple stuff, powerful tool, wrong job. So question number 3. What skills have you learned in the subject? So the skills I learned in the subject is productivity tools, digital citizenship, smart Googling, basic media creation, and the don't panic troubleshoot mindset. So the number 4 question is, how can you apply these ICT skills in real life or as a future teacher? Applying ICT skills in real life as a future teacher is budgets, resumes, side hustles, avoiding scam. As a teacher, flips lesson, reach different learners, save time grading, and model calm problem solving with technology. So, and last but not the least question is, what is your most meaningful realization about ICT? So, most meaningful realization about ICT is, it's not about the gadget, it's about people. Technology doesn't replace good teaching, it amplifies it. And the exploratory part is matters because that's where kids discover they're capable. Thank you, sir.